Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how you can configure the UNIHERTZ Tank 3 Pro for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can navigate and look for accessibility. Inside, first option we can change is font size. Here we're gonna make it as big as possible. There's also two other options that you can find here, which is bold text and high contrast text. So bold text adds a thickness to the font, and high contrast text adds a black outline to all of the text, which makes it more visible when the text, for example on the home screen, is white, and now it has this black outline, which makes it much more visible. Then we can go back and navigate to color and motion. Here you can find remove animations. When activated, it should reduce motion sickness while using your phone, and that's the only option I recommend to change here. Then we have magnification. When activated, you should get this accessibility button floating around your screen. When you click on it, you will enter magnification mode. Click anywhere else on the screen and you will zoom in that position. You can also disable it by clicking on the loop icon again. And honestly, that would be all of the options I would recommend to change. You can experiment here even more if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.